If we have a look at the chair, you can see the back is quite loose and the front is quite loose. In fact, all the joints are quite loose. Nothing seems broken, it just seems that I need to re-glue all these joints. So the next step will be to take it all apart. Okay. As you can see, the seat itself has some flex. So I may need to work on these joints as well. These legs are all very wobbly. I will remove all these and I'll take it completely apart. As you can see, the glue has failed on these joints. It should take very little effort to pop all these off. In some cases, the tenon has failed as well. Let's see what looks like a previous repair. All the loose joints have been taken apart, but I've been left with 2 broken tenons, so I'm going to have to make a couple of new ones and clean these out. Interestingly, it's the same joint in the chair. I think this one's been broken because of that previous repair. They've drilled a hole in it and really weakened that one. Similarly here, that drill hole I think has weakened it. I was probably a bit clumsy taking it apart, to be honest, as well. But anyway, that's what happens. So I'll make a couple of tenons and fix this up.